Hi everyone, it's me again. I'm back. So today what we're going to talk about drone stickers. Now before that, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Kelvin Taka. I'm a full-time artist, painter, and also art tutor, and also a creative director. So I do a lot of artsy stuff, all this kind of stuff. And yes, today we'll be talking how to remove your decals, stickers from your drone and replacing a new one. Now before I get started, there are a few things I need to point out. There are a few pointers, right? Number one is that when we buy new stickers, right, we always tend to remove the old one, and we will have a very high chance of leaving all the residues behind. Now that is the main key we're going to talk about today. Removing the residue, it's really annoying, but of course there are tons of ways to remove the residues. But today you guys are in for some great luck. I'm going to show you guys the easiest way, the quickest way to remove the residues from your drone. Now you have to bear in mind, bear with me, because this video is going to be quite a little bit of stretch, and so I want you hopefully that you guys can watch this video till the end, right? All right, so how to remove the old stickers and replacing the new one. So I'm going to show you guys some few clips and explain as we go along. So I hope you guys will bear with me, right? All right guys, all right, here we go. So now the first thing first I want to explain is that, see, this is from my old stickers, so I'm trying to get rid of it, and I have stickers underneath another stickers. So I mean, this is like, why would people want to do that? I'll explain to you later on. Now before that, I want to tell you guys about this story. This little eye here, I just love the eyes. If you can see carefully, if you look at it carefully, I mean, this guy's like, the kind of sad eyes, puppy eyes, so I just love it, man, so it kind of like gives me the kind of cheerful thoughts and stuff, Right, now let's get on with it. Before that, with all the from the previous stickers, if you will see carefully, I'm just getting it with each and every one. Strip away all of your old stickers, get rid of it. So as we go along, I will explain to you. I will kind of fast forward the video a little bit so you get the idea. So this one, okay. Once you remove all the stickers, right, as you can see, the residues are left behind. Now guys, there's one thing you have to bear in mind. In the market, we have all kinds of stickers, right? It comes in various forms, sizes, and so on and so on. Each stickers will definitely leave a little bit of residues behind. If you can see carefully, the white little spot there, that sticky part there, now that, I feel the pain, guys. That is the most irritating part, to get rid of it. Now guys, this is the one, the most important one. Now look at it. This was from my previous stickers. Again, I'm peeling it off slowly, bit by bit. But of course, you always can use. There's tons of ways. To be honest, there are tons of ways to remove the thing. But of course, some people use alcohol. But I wouldn't suggest that. It's because alcohol technically is like water-based. You have a very high chance of penetrating into your drone itself, so it's going to have a high risk of ruining your battery. Now look at that. That kind of thing. I know you guys are going through all this kind of stuff, and it's really annoying. Now the best part is, use a kitchen wipe, tissues, right? Just rub it on. What you want to do right now here is to allow residue to pick up all the tissue, the bits and pieces, right? Just leave it as it is. It looks kind of messy. It is kind of like it's savage by looking at it, but don't worry. All you got to do is just to push it. When you push it, it will just come right off. As simple as that. That is one serious, great hack to get rid of all the stickers. But removing the stickers is one thing. There are actually, a few ways to removing it, but of course you still need to take care of your drone. I will show you a sample later on in this video, and you will know what I mean. So all you have to do is just keep on pushing and pushing and pushing. That applies to every part of your drone. Just get rid of it. Right. Now putting on the new stickers, the one I'm sticking right now is this. This is the one I'm putting it on. Putting on the stickers is very important. Now in the market, you will find all kinds of stickers. Some that pre-cut, some you have to cut on your own. Have to trim your own as well. So what you have to do is, when you trim stickers, right, those pre-cut stickers usually are cut exactly the schematic of your drone, whichever drone you own. So what I always encourage droners to do is that when you trim your stickers, always trim a little bit smaller around the circumference of your decals. Always make it smaller. That makes peeling off easier in the future. Now, sticking it is one thing. to make it last longer, that's what I do. Always use a lighter. Why? It's because I provide PVC stickers. PVC stickers are pretty malleable and it's not heat resistant. It kind of like strings. It kind of shrinks when it is in contact with the fire or something. Never use a hairdryer. I know some of you are gonna ask, can I use a hairdryer or a heat gun? No, because the heat itself is too intense. It spreads out, so you will have a very high risk of destroying your drone. So don't do that. You can use a lighter, just like a couple of 1.5 seconds or 2 seconds. Not like literally burning it, but just to heat up. The reason why is PVC stickers are so malleable, so it kind of takes contour of your drone and use your finger and just to push it in. Like earlier in this video, I did say about something how to put on the stickers, properly. Now this is what I meant. When you try to put the stickers onto the wing, because I own an Air 2, so what I'm trying to say is that, for example, if you were to look closely, this little wing area here, when you were to put a sticker on or cleaning or taking off the stickers, never hold your drone this way and push it at the same time, because this is a very sensitive part. You might have a risk of breaking it. So the best is either you hold it like this on the wing and peel it off, or put it on, or stay flat on the table. That applies to every part of your drone, guys. So try not to, destroy your drone, because eventually, if this is your first drone, so I suggest you guys take good care of it. Everybody does, but anyway, unless now somebody asked me a question, rather than stickers, can I do airbrush, air paint? Of course you can. Now before you do that, it's highly recommended, if you are planning to let's say if you're planning to get a second drone or something, and if this is your first drone, you're getting a new one, this one you can have fun with it. So there is one very unique way, is to disassemble the casing of the drone itself. You guys must have heard the hydro dipping, the water painting things, when you put a paint and dip it. Yeah, you can do that. That looks even cooler. You can cheat, So you guys, if you have any questions, please drop it in the comments below, and please like this video. Thank you very much. Your like really encourages us to make more videos like this. It's educational video and stuff. But of course, I haven't made video quite often, but your like is very important to me. Thank you very much for watching this video. I wish you guys all the best, and the most importantly, guys, always fly safe. That is the most important thing, right? So thanks for watching this video. Peace out. My name is Kelvin Tucker. I hope to see you guys very soon. Fly safe, guys.